Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the full screen gestures in this device. That means how to hide the navigation buttons from the bottom tab. So let me show you how to do this one. For this, go to settings, tap on additional settings. Then here you can see the option system navigation. Select this one. You can see two system navigations. You can see here button and gestures. To enable the full screen gestures, select the option gestures. If you want to learn how to use this one, tap on learn, otherwise cancel it. Now you can see full screen gestures is enabled. The navigation buttons are hidden from the bottom tab. Now let me show you how to use this full screen gestures. To go to the home page directly, just swipe up like this. You can directly go to the home page. To go to the recent applications, swipe up from the bottom tab and hold it. Okay. Again, I will show you. To go to the home page, swipe up like this. To go to the recent application, swipe up from the bottom tab and hold it. Next step. To go to the back page, swipe inwards from the right side. Otherwise, swipe inwards from the left side. You can see. Okay. So, if you want to switch between the recently opened applications, just swipe right or left. You can see switch between the recently opened applications. So simply in this way you can use and enable the full screen gestures in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.